There's a sweet little squirrel. Yeah, he's just eating right now. He sees something coming, I think. Yep, here comes the baby bunny. Oh, so precious. Let me pet you, yeah. Oh, so sweet. Excuse me, I just get so overwhelmed. Here comes Mama Bunny, too. Oh, she's sniffing. Oh, she's sniffing the trophies. Yeah, basketball's your game, isn't it? Yeah. Eat some corn. Get them flies out of there away from you, huh? Yeah, eat that corn. That's a good, yeah. How sweet. Oh, precious. Oh. What happened? Oh, Mama's gonna look underneath the board because I hid it under there. Then, yeah. When they chew, it sounds like bricks hitting up against each other. It's funny. So adorable. Oh, I wonder if they ever crack teeth. They gotta crack teeth. Split it wide open to the root canal. Oh, precious. I hear a fly. These silly flies. Zim, 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 zim. Oh, Mama just moved the board. She moved my iOS camera. Zip, 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 zip. Squirrel, baby bunny, and rabbit. Mama rabbit, probably, or daddy. Precious. Oh, listen to this. Just a second. Hear the bunny? Isn't that sweet? Oh. They just keep eating and stuff. Yeah. They could sit out there and eat all day, couldn't they? They just love to eat food. Oh, did you see the bird poop in that poop? They're dropping birdseed from above.